please do like, follow, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.
I mean, you niggas claiming you got it like that. Family, friends, they acting like they got your best interest. Well, DG here to put you niggas to the test. Listen.
You claiming that you got it, I'ma take it, nigga. Now you crying to your niggas like I raped you, nigga. Man up, get it back, money chasing, nigga. I hope you learn from this lesson, start the faking, nigga. Cause when you're flossing like you're bossing, I don't trip. I'm taking all a nigga gotta make investments, taking trips. I'm taking all your fucking bands, paying the loans off my whips, yelling free bands, nigga, and I ain't fucking some shit. I like it freaky, real nasty, make me come, get into it, give me head. He like yum, yummy, yum. It was cool, I was in it for the fun, but gotta run, cause your pocket's getting low. It was cool, I said I'm done. I like my niggas in the suits in the trap. They like me too, cause I'm cute with that gap. Hands down, I can get a whole slap. Be careful how you treat me, cause that karma coming back, nigga. Came a long way from them trenches, attitude worse than trainers. Fuck you niggas, kill you bitches. On the road to the riches, sidelines, stay on them benches. RP on the shirt, now what happened to the snitches, nigga? Snitch niggas might as well wait for the federal. You niggas gay, man, you opposite a hetero. Pussy good, pussy clean, it's an edible. I have them singing like a future, it's incredible. A loner, cause family fake, friends too. Ears plugged, cause you niggas hate the truth. When I was broke, did what I had to do to make them ends meet. It's just me and my two. No baby dad, one dead, one in the system.